Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you all? I hope everyone is doing good. So, today we have an Arabic grammar lesson, An-Nakira wal Ma'arifa. So, let's start. An-Nakira. What is a Nakira? Nakira is the indefinite noun. Indefinite noun means that it is general or unspecified things. We don't know that we are talking about which thing. It is not specified. So when there is any unspecified thing, we use nakira and ma'rifa. Ma'rifa is the definite noun. Ma'rifa means that we are talking about something specific or known. When we know something and we are talking about any specific thing, then we use ma'rifa. And so let's discuss about some rules of nakira and ma'rifa. Nakira. Nakira means baitun, a house. Nakira means an indefinite noun, and the example is baitun. Baitun is the example for nakira. Baitun means a house. So the speciality of nakira is that it will be translated with a, a house. And the rules for nakira are that we must use the tanween at the last letter of the word. We must use tanween at the last letter of the word. Tanween of zamma, pesh, tanween of fatha, zabar, tanween of kasra, zair. The word must have do zabar, do zair, or do pesh. Then it means the word is nakira. And we will translate the word as a house, kitabun, a book. Second rule is that the nakira will never ever have alif lam al. The nakira word will never ever have alif and lam on it. Okay, let's go to the marifa. Marifa. Marifa has the article al, alif and lam. It is used at the beginning of the word. Alif and lam is used at the beginning of the word. So al-baytu. Al-baytu means the house. Al-baytu, the house. So what do we know? That alif lam al means the. When we use alif and lam at the beginning of any word, this will give the translation of the. Alif and lam will give the translation of the. So the first rule for marifa is we will never use tanween on marifa. We will never use tanween on marifa. And we only use one symbol, one harka. Pesh, Dhamma, Fatha, Zabar, or Kasra, Zair. We will use only one harakat on the word. And we must use Alif Lam at the beginning of the word. We must use the Alif Lam at the beginning. These are the rules for Ma'rifa. Okay, now Jumla Kamila. Jumla Kamila means complete sentence. How to make a complete sentence in Arabic language. Okay, so how can we make a complete sentence? Al-babu maftuhan. Al-bab is ma'rifa and maftuhan is nakira. Al-babu maftuhan. Al-babu maftuhan means the door is open. Al-babu maftuhan. So, al-bab means the door. There is alif at the word, at the starting of the word. So, we must say al-babu means the door and maftuhan means open. When we mix up these two words, the marifa and the nakira, it will result as the complete sentence and we will translate it as the door is open. Okay, so my internet is not working and the door is not opening. Okay, let it be. Move to the next slide. Okay, al-babu maftuhan. So what are the rules? Al-bab is marifa. Okay, so the first word must be ma'rifa. We must use al with it, alif lam with it, and it should be a ma'rifa. Al babu, al bab is ma'rifa, and maftuhun. Maftuhun is nakira. It has a tanween on it, so it's a nakira. Maftuhun is nakira. Al bab ma'rifa. Al bab means the door. Maftuhun means open. There is no any other translation for is. But when we know that there is a marifa and it is a nakira, this is a complete sentence combination. So it must give the translation of the complete sentence. We will translate it as the door is open. Al babu maftuhan. The door is open. So we have some other examples with us now. Al qalam. What is the meaning of al qalam? It's so easy. Al qalam. Yes. Al qalam means the pen. There is al. So it means the pen. Maksuran means broken. Maksuran, broken. Al qalamu maksuran means the pen is broken. Al waladu jalisun. What is the meaning of al walad? Al walad, the boy is jalisun means sitting. Al waladu jalisun, the boy is sitting. Al-mudarrisu waqifun. Al-mudarrisu waqifun. Al-mudarris means the teacher. Waqifun means standing. Al-mudarrisu waqifun. It means the teacher is standing. So these are the examples for the complete sentences. Okay, so this is just a revision for the lesson 3 of Medina Arabic Reader, what we have taught. Inshallah, we will discuss some more examples and some more videos about it in our next video, inshallah. Jazakumullahu khairan. Jazakallah.